Hi, what's up? Everything is going on nicely. Very happy. You are watching the video and doing something. Welcome to the Practical English channel. Today we are going to learn do eyes today. What the direction is given according to you have to solve it. Come to the first one. The Arabian Nights dash an interesting book. Use be verb of present tense. Question is that you have to use be verb of present tense. You know what are the be verbs of present tense? You know is, are. These are the be verbs of present tense. Past was where, but instruction is you have to use the present. Present means out of three, you have to use any one. Okay? You know, subject you see, the Arabian Nights. Is the subject plural or singular? Tell me, is it singular or plural? Some are thinking nights means plural, but I can say that it is not the plural, but it is the name of a book. It is the name of one book, the Arabian Nights. So it is singular, but it looks like plural. So it will take what? It will take each. Right? The Arabian Nights is an interesting book, but sometimes what happens? You see this one, right? But you are using That's that. Isn't it? Am I right? Okay. Then come to number 2. Interesting, arts, family, watch, are. Make a meaningful sentence. Already I have told you while you are going to frame a meaningful sentence, at that time you have to search the right subject and the verb. Then 60 to 70% you have covered. Then come to interesting. Are you thinking the subject? Arts. Are you thinking? Family, perhaps you are thinking family. Family was okay. In this way, if family was subject and the verb, then what will you learn? Family, suppose you tell family was are interesting as is different. So where will you use? So it will be as family was are interesting. Did you get my point? Arts family was uninteresting. Yeah. In this way, suppose if you take family was uninteresting. Okay, it is a sentence. But what do you put arts? So you have to use it in proper direction, isn't it? Okay. Then come to number 3. Number 3, he has visited all Indian temples. What is the question? Question is turned into past simple. First you see in which tense is it? Has visited. Has visited means has, it indicates the present tense and it is the present perfect. It is in present perfect. But you have to turn into past simple. Past simple formula you know. What is that? Subject plus main verb plus subject. Main verb of the word or past. Okay. Then which one is the main verb? Visit. Visit the past tense. Visited. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer will be as for this subject. This one is subject. Then main verb visit. This is the past tense. Visited. Visited all the Indian temples. It became past tense. So what we will do here? Here we will, if we only had. Now see, he subject, then visit past simple, subject plus main verb past simple, visited. So it became he visited all the Indian temples. Okay. In this way you have learned tense. Clear? Is there any problem? Okay. Then come to number 4. The teacher said the earth moves round the sun. Okay, that means here what is there? Now turn into indirect speech. That means it is in direct speech. You have not learned, but I will tell. The teacher said. That means it is one part. This is another part, and it is the direct version. But indirectly, suppose this. I am teacher, I told the earth moves around the sun. But you will go to your home and how will you inform your parents? Will you tell that the earth moves around the sun? But who said? The teacher said. So, the teacher said, then you have to join two sentences in one. What you will do? You have to omit the command inverted, you have to use that. Okay? That. And again comes to this, the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun means it is universal truth sentence. Which sentence is universal truth? No change will occur. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. It is universal, scientific truth. So, no change will occur. So, the teacher said that is done. Okay. The earth moves around the sun. It is done in that space. Is there any problem? Okay. Then come to number 5. Number 5, that is C. On university is a seat of learning. Correct the error. In this sentence, you will find for error. You have to correct it. First thing, which one is the error? Sometimes we are thinking that U is there. So an is right. We are thinking. Is present tense, no problem. AC, no problem. Of learning, no problem. You are thinking. But carefully read it. Carefully read it. If you go carefully, what will happen? Listen. University, you know. University, U is the vowel. You know that vowel always takes what? Vowel always takes an. But here what happens? It pronounced as U. Last time, last class I told you. It is U. So it will take what? So it won't be university. Already I have told you. Union. So it will take U sound is coming. But what you are doing? You are looking at the vowel. That's why you are using R. So isn't it? So what will it be? It will be it will be where you make this is the dust. Okay. It will be university. That means wrong one here. That is university is a city. Now error is corrected. Okay. Then come to number 6. We eat that we may live. What is the instruction? Identify the clause. Which one is the clause? You know, identify the clause. This is the clause. Identify the clause means which clause. You apply which clause. Listen. That you may live in whom it refers. Whom it modifies. Can you tell me? It modifies we or it modifies verb. If you think if it modifies, now you can say noun clause or adjective clause. If it modifies the verb, then you add verb clause. You think and tell. That is definitely that we may live, that it is from it. So it modifies, this modifies to the verb. So which clause it will be? It will be adverb clause. What do you do? Adverb clause. Clear? Is there any problem? No problem. Then come to Amma number 7. Am I eating an egg? Change the voice. That means it is in active voice. You have to turn into passive form. That means if, listen, it is in present continuous. Present continuous passive voice. Video, if you have seen, then very easily you can do it. If not, then you will be the sufferer. For example, we will do it like this. See my dear students, here, one thing I am telling, okay, but What is this? Suppose am I eating an egg? Make it positive. Positive. I am eating an egg. Our question is not this. Our question is in question mark. Okay. Make it passive form. An egg come to the past. An egg. It is singular. An egg is present tense. I am present tense. Then put the verb. Then what you will have to add? You have to add being, because it is in present continuous. Present continuous voice form what does it take? It takes being. An egg is being. Then eat, ate, eaten. Third form. Eat, ate, eaten. Eaten by me, or you may write by me, or if you don't, no problem with that. Now negative make it simply negative. An egg is not. It became negative. Interrogative make it is an egg, is an egg being eaten by me. That means this is the answer of this. That means first you know that if it is in question form, then what you will do? You will turn it positive. After turning into positive, you make the voice change. Same formula you apply. Okay? Is there any problem? No. Okay. Number 8. He doesn't know the alphabets of English. Here the sentence is the correct, but error. Somewhere error. See, it is the subject. Is there any error? Singular? No. Then he takes it out past present tense. No problem. It is negative. Up to this, there is no. He doesn't know. This is I eat, I don't eat, do I eat? Alphabets of English. My dear students, most of you are telling alphabets. My dear students, 26 letters are there. They are not known as alphabets. They are known as what? Alphabet. Alphabet, not alphabets. Please remember. Technical things. That means he doesn't know alphabet of English. Isn't it? He doesn't know the alphabet of. Okay, though I have left. Okay, I have left. Okay, he doesn't know the alphabet of English, not alphabets. Clear? Clear? Is there any problem? Then come to number 9. Translate this passage from English dash Telugu. That means it comes to your mind that if we have used from, definitely next will be to. You are thinking. That means, especially you are writing, translate the passage from English to Telugu. Isn't it? But please remember, translate means, translate you are using means from English, if you are converting, it will be into. It will be into. Not to. Translate this passage from English into Telugu. Like this. Turn into parts. Isn't it? Turn into internships. Like that. That means into English. Okay. Then come to number 10. What is the number 10? Number 10 is that Sir Michael had his dinner at 9 a.m. Sir Michael had his dinner at 9 a.m. Sorry, 9 a.m. Dinner here. 9 a.m. Okay. Make a question using what time. You know, first you have to make what time will come. Instruction is that you have to make a question by using what time. You take the what time. After what time? Now tell me, Michael had his dinner. In which days? Michael had his dinner. Which days? Past tense. Tell me the form, present form, simple, continuous, perfect continuous. Because if you are continuous, ing is required, no ing. If your third form of verb is required, perfect, being is required, perfect continuous, it is not. So it is not past simple. Past simple means you know that main verb can be divided. Okay, what is the hard meaning word? Hard means did plus half. Okay, did hard means what? Hard means did plus half. So we got here did. What time did? Clear? Did. Then who? Sir Michael. Sir Michael. Sir Michael. Then after did what become? Half. What time did Sir Michael have his dinner? How is it dinner? Question. The answer will come at 9 p.m. Isn't it? Is that the problem? May God bless you. Do good. Be good. Watch the video. Do it in your copy. If you like it, then share a lot. And if you are a new one, then subscribe it. Thank you.